Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook soft mandazi. First, assemble your key ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, and 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Also, you will need 1 cup of warm milk and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. These precise measurements are vital for achieving that delightful, airy texture. Using fresh, active yeast will guarantee a successful rise every time. Begin by whisking together the flour, sugar, yeast, and cardamom in a large bowl, ensuring they are well combined. Next, pour in the warm milk and vegetable oil, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface and knead it continuously for about 10 to 12 minutes. This essential step develops the gluten, resulting in wonderfully soft and pliable mandazi. Lightly grease your mixing bowl, return the kneaded dough, and cover it with a clean kitchen towel. Let it proof in a warm, draft-free spot for approximately 1 hour or until it has clearly doubled in size. Once proofed, gently punch down the dough and roll it out evenly to a thickness of about 1/2 inch. Use a sharp knife or pizza cutter to divide it into uniform pieces. In a deep pot, heat about 4 cups of vegetable oil over medium heat until it reaches around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a few mandazi pieces into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, turning them occasionally until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Remove them with a slotted spoon and let them drain on paper towels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.